Welcome to my channel, The Learning and Reading Spotting. এয়ারপোর্ট অ্যান্ড ট্রাভেল রুটিন। কীভাবে এয়ারপোর্টে যাব এবং এয়ারপোর্টে কী করতে হয়, কী করতে হয় সব ইংলিশে আমরা শিখব। গেটিং রেডি অ্যাট হোম, বাসা থেকে আমরা যখন রেডি হব সেখান থেকে শুরু করব। I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. Put them in my suitcase. Put them in my suitcase. I zip up my suitcase. I zip up my suitcase. I check my flight ticket. I check my flight ticket. I make sure I have my passport. I make sure I have my passport. I call a taxi. I call a taxi. Going to the airport. I put my suitcase in the trunk. I into the taxi. I into the taxi. Arrive at the airport. Arrive at the airport. I get out of the taxi. Pull up my suitcase handle. I walk into the terminal. I get an airport card. Card. I get an airport card. Push is the card forward. Look at the flight information. I check my flight number. Take out my passport and ticket. Take out my passport and ticket. I show my passport in the counter. I show my passport in the counter. I put my suitcase on the scale. I put my suitcase on the scale. I check my gate number. I check my gate number. I walk to the boarding. I listen for the boarding announcement. Get ready to the board the plane. Show my boarding pass. Show my boarding pass. Walk down the jet bridge. Walk down the jet bridge. I step into the plane. I find my seat. I sit down in my seat. Be ready for takeoff. বাসা থেকে বিমানে ওঠা পর্যন্ত সবগুলা ইংলিশ আমরা শিখব। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।